Takadzidza kuti if we have a situation like this, the log of a base a, it is always equal to 1. Zvazvinoreva ndezvekuti applying this, log 10 is equal to 1. But let us say toda kutsvaga log 100. Kuti tizive kuti log 100 iri equal to chi, what we can do is tinouya kuno kutoti log 100, because hatina specified base, zvoreva kuti it's base 10 and this is equal to x. Then we apply the law of logarithms. Inotiudza kuti the base to the power, the answer here should give us 100. Kureva kuti 10 to the power x is equal to 100. But to simplify this, we should express 100 in terms of 10. Kureva kuti chava 10 to the power x is equal to, instead of kunyora kuti 100, it's 10 squared, because 10 squared is equal to 100. Since we have the same base panapa, 10 and 10, it means we can equate the powers. X will be equal to 2. Therefore, the log of 100 is equal to 2. If we look closely, we see a relationship between answer yatawana and the number of zeros which are after 1. So the conclusion we arrive at here is tikaramba tichicalculator, tichaona kuti log 1000 inenge iri equal to 3. Tichaona zvakare kuti log 10,000 iri equal to 4. Zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti kana tina 1 then mazeros iri whole number, we are going to count the number of zeros after 1 ndo ichatipa answer. It means the log of 10 million, for example, is going to be equal to what? We count the number of zeros after 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is equal to 7. If you want to watch the whole lesson, check the link below.